Here's the app called Talkin Global Friends and Chat. Chat voice moments connects to the world, make friends worldwide. So freely match friends and explore 150 countries. Discover diverse life in global moments. Share life moments and connect with friends worldwide. Join voice parties and meet global friends. Connect with the world and discover new cultures with Talkin. Braille language barriers, make global friends and experience authentic cross-cultural interactions. Talkin is global multilingual community where people from different countries and cultures connect through chat, voice, group conversations, real-time social interaction. And then you can let's just install it here just to preview it. Voice parties, real-time translations, find like-minded friends and meet people you click with. And then so this is kind of the idea. And then final step, and then you can just go and then just join the group chat. Here you can see the chats, a lot of people in here. Then you can see how this looks like, basic information, account management, a lot of settings, your wallet, transactions. So that's kind of the idea of this, and check this out.